Hello everyone. To prepare for the coursework 1, I will show you how to set up the environment to create a virtual machine for the web application target, and then also to set up the virtual machine for the attacker machine. We're going to use target is Badstore or choose shop, and then the attacker machine is using the Kali virtual machine. Okay, so the step basically following the tutorial which I already uploaded in the Blackboard. So if you log on to Blackboard, then you can find this Badstore VM setup. Okay, so we follow this. The first is to download the VirtualBox or the VMware player or the Hyper-V manager as part of the Windows Pro. Then you create the Badstore VM, then Kali. After that, set up. The IP address could be different, but we're going to follow the step. Okay, first you need to download the the VirtualBox, which I already prepared the link, and this one is the maybe the older version. The newer version is this one. Okay, so you download this. I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to repeat again. But yeah, if you open this, okay, here you go. Yeah, so download, software download, and then the VirtualBox. Yeah. VirtualBox download. Okay, here you go. Now, yeah. So right click, after that install. Or if you use Mac, you can choose the Mac or the Linux as well. Yeah. So I have already downloaded, and I put in the folder the secure programming VMs. This one. Okay. Then after that, download the Kali. So to download the Kali, the link is here. Okay, yeah. And then download the Badstore ISO, which is here inside the Blackboard. I already put this one. Yeah. Okay, so these 3 files are needed, and I have already downloaded to make this faster. Okay. Now install the VirtualBox. Yeah. Double click the installer. After that, it will ask you the confirmation to install the VirtualBox. Yeah, so wait for a while, then it will come out with the Windows installer box, like this. Okay. Where are now the box is smaller. Okay, click next. The size is okay. After that, yeah. So I continue in the other screen first. Okay, one moment. Let me change the target screen. Okay, so accept the term and the license agreement. Click next. Choose the default setting. Put into the default location. Click next. Okay, then yes. Okay, after that, perform the installation. Yeah, this should be quite fast. We wait for a while. Okay, the shortcut is created. Oracle VirtualBox. It won't be taking too long. Yep, done. Yeah, start Oracle VirtualBox after the installation, then click finish. Okay, now I change back the screen to the main one. Okay, yeah, so the installation is completed. Then after that we open, okay, VirtualBox, yeah, or this one. Yep, so wait, okay, so by right this empty VirtualBox, no VM, yeah, okay. So download Kali, and then the Kali need to be extracted. So I will do it now, yeah, extracting the Kali first. So later when we finish with the Badstore installation, the Kali is also ready. Okay, so remove this folder name. After that, extract. Yeah, this will take a few minutes to complete, but in the meantime, we're going to set up the Badstore. Just minimize, yeah. So we create a new VM machine. After that, a new what is the name and the location. Yeah, you choose the location is other. After that, go to the C drive. After that, the secure programming VM. Okay, this is a folder. Eh? The name is Badstore. Okay, after that, type is Linux. Yeah, you can choose Oracle Linux or other Linux. Okay, the hardware you can customize. Yeah, memory is too big. Yeah, 1024 or 512 is enough. Okay, processor too many. Yeah. Oh, sorry, one. Add one more. Become two. Hard disk we don't. Yeah, do not add virtual hard disk. Okay, after that, the rest is yeah, this one also can change to the other Linux. Yeah, and then 64-bit. Click finish. Okay. Then before you start, you set the network to connect to the host only adapter. Yeah, this one. Click OK. After that, start. Okay, so wait for a while. The machine is getting ready to start. Yep. So powering up the VM. Yeah. Okay. So far so good. Yeah. So let's see the console of this. Yep. So oh yeah, DVD. I have not mount the DVD. Yeah. Mount and retry boot. Yeah. Okay. So we want to select the DVD from the Badstore ISO. So I already put in the this secure programming VM. Yeah, this one, the ISO file. Mount and retry boot. Okay, good. Yeah, so trying to boot automatically. Just wait for a few minutes to let this virtual machine start it. Okay, actually quite fast, eh? Okay, almost done. So get the IP from the DHCP. Okay, so enter. Then after that, run the command ifconfig to check the IP address. Okay, so 192.168.56.103. Okay, that's the our Badstore. So the IP address is 192.168. and then 56.103. Okay, yeah, that's the IP address of the Badstore. Okay, so let's perform the testing from your Windows laptop. Open the command. After that, ping this IP address. Ping 192.168.56.103. Now you get the reply. Yeah, okay. So if you open the browser, after that you try to access using the browser, such as the HTTP. Yeah, 1038, sorry. Okay, yeah, so the Badstore is up and running. But normally we want to use the host name to access, not to use the IP address. So we're going to modify the host file. Okay, open the command as the administrator. Okay, after that we are going to edit the drivers etc. So notepad drivers etc and then host. Yep, so here you go. This is a host file. Then I'm going to register the 192.168.56.103. okay, that's a Badstore IP. Yeah. So save it. Yeah, so now if you open with HTTP www.badstore.net. Oops, sorry. Okay, yeah, Badstore.net. Okay, not secure, that's alright. HTTP, oh, not HTTPS, yeah, but HTTP. Okay, yeah, so now it's recognized by this using the name. Okay, now we continue by installing the Kali. Okay, so we open the folder that just now extracting. Okay, still incomplete yet. We just wait for a few more minutes. Yeah, almost done. Okay,